The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 foldable phones will be unveiled by Samsung on Wednesday, July 26, in a number of regions, including India. Ashan Agarwal, a trustworthy tipster, disclosed the next-generation foldables for the Indian market storage choices, color schemes, and release date. The tipster claims that 3 shades, Phantom Black, Cream, and Icy Blue, will be available for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage will be offered as choices. Graphite, Cream, Lavender, and Mint are among the color possibilities for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, on the other hand. There will be 128GB and 256GB storage options available. With the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung found a wonderful balance, and it is unlikely to change that approach. Despite the ostensibly identical nature of the two camera systems, there have been rumors that at least one of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 sensors will be new. Too many reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will pack in another 50MP main sensor, similar to the Fold 4, with a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto. Expect the same 10MP cover screen camera and 4MP internal display camera as previously, with the latter positioned underneath the display. According to the source, Samsung-only colors will be offered for both the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. Only the Samsung online shop will offer these shades. Samsung's next foldables are likely to be on sale or be delivered between August 12 and August 18, with August 22 being the latest conceivable date, according to the tipster. Samsung has not yet finalized the exact date. At 4:30 p.m. local time in India, Samsung India's YouTube account will live stream the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. Through websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Samsung India's website, Samsung exclusive stores, and retail locations, those who are interested in the new foldables may pre-reserve them by depositing 2,000 rupees. Customers who pre-reserve these smartphones will earn perks of 5,000 rupees in bonus cash when they buy them, according to official Samsung announcement. The Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Tab S9 series seem to be included in this pre-reservation offer. Which of the Samsung exclusive colors would you choose for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or Galaxy Z Flip 5 and why? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.